Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and I'm just telling you that I'm gonna do fidget spinner at 3 a.m. The only thing that made me do this was Naughty Cat, because she said at least you don't want ghosts to be in your house. Just don't spin a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. But it just made me did it. I'm gonna do it tonight. When I watch other people about slime, it didn't make me and fidget spinners. But once I watched Naughty Cats, it actually made me want to do it. So I'm gonna do it today night. And if I do not make another video, that means I'm playing with my friends. So that's what I mean. I think I might gonna go inside once it turns dark. So that's what I'm just talking about spinning fidget spinners at night. So bye.